Hi everyone, in this video I'll demonstrate how to effortlessly pin or post on Facebook. Make sure you stick around till the end to avoid any mistakes. And of course, don't forget to give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Let's dive in. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your device, then tap on your profile picture to navigate to your Facebook profile page. Scroll down until you found the post you want to pin. Once you've located the post, tap on the three dots icon. Next, select Pin Post from the options that appear. This action will pin the post to the top of your Facebook timeline. You'll notice it labeled as Pinned Post. Then post will remain pinned until your device to unpin it. To unpin a post, simply tap on the three dots again and then select Unpin. That's it. You're now learning how to easily pin and unpin posts on Facebook.